Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Vauxhall Astra. So outside the car you've got 17-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors. Inside you've got leather interior with heated seats. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.4 litre petrol engine that gives you 148 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 21,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. Thank you.